Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable knitted pumpkins. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi you guys, I just wanted to share real quick that I just got this new knitting needle set from Amazon. And it is so cool. Look at all of those needles. And they are interchangeable needles. And it comes in this really beautiful leather-like package. And it's zippered. And it just is so exciting. I just got it today and I couldn't help but share it. And they are metal. It has 4 different size cables. And I'm going to see if you can see these up close. Let me move this out of the way so it'll focus. They're just like this nylon type cord and they're really smooth, and it has the adjustable needles, the interchangeable needles, and they just screw on. I'm not exactly sure because I've never used these things before, but I think you just put this in here and it goes through like that, and then you just kind of hold on to it and tighten them, I guess. I'm not really sure. If you guys have any good tips on how to keep those on, let me know. Like I said, I just got them today, but I'm going to do this project with them. So I'm going to test them out and hopefully they're going to be good. But you have a choice of, I don't even know how many are in here. I think it's like 13 or something like that. And I will put a link in my description box, and I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you do purchase these, I will get a commission, and I appreciate if you do buy them there. That would be awesome. You guys are great. I really appreciate your support. It also comes with these little stitch markers, some extra yarn needles, and then I think this is a pair of scissors. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, those are great. Look at that. So you just pinch them and cut your yarn. And it comes with a gauge so you can check your needle size. So this is a 6.0. And how cute is that? Okay, so I'm using my brand new size 9 interchangeable needles. And I will be using a Harvest Gold yarn. Now this is, I think it's a homespun by Lion brand. I am not 100% sure. But I got it at the thrift store, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. All you're going to do is you're going to cast on 44 stitches. And all you're going to do is you're going to knit 2, 1, 2, and purl 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then you're going to knit 2, and you're going to continue this knit 2, purl 2, and you are going to do this for about 7 inches. So I am going to come back when I have 7 inches knitted on my needles, and I just want to make sure that you know that you need to end on a purl stitch. So we started here with a knit, and so you're going to end with a purl. So you can put however many stitches you want on here in multiples of 2, but just make sure that you end with a purl, the opposite of what you started with. Okay, so then we're going to do row 2, and that just consists of the same exact thing. You're going to knit all the knits and purl all the purls. This is my rectangle for my pumpkin, and as you can see, it's really nice and thick, and this is all knitted in the rib stitch. I started with 2 knits and ended with 2 purls. And all I'm going to do is I am going to cut a long piece of yarn about 3 times wider, as wide as this. So do that, and then you're just going to cut your yarn. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn needle and you will thread it just like that. And I did this on a straight needle. This is a size 9 straight needle, and you can do this on a circular needle as well. So I just wanted to show you that it could be done on this. And in the beginning of the video, this is how I'm going to do it on a circular. And we're not going to stitch it in the round. We're just going to do it straight back and forth like it would be on a straight needle. So you have the option of using either one. So let me show you how to take this off. So normally you would bind off, but we're not going to bind it off. We're just going to take our needle. You're going to slip all of your stitches. So just slip every stitch however you like. So as you're slipping them off, you're just going to take them down on that one long end of yarn. So just like this, you're going to slip them off. And just thread it down onto this longer piece right here. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this through. Just like that. And just let me measure this for you real quick. If you stretch this out a little bit, it's about 10 inches. And then this direction is about 7, somewhere around that size. Then all you're going to do is you're going to pull this and just tighten it up. And you're just going to make it, it has like a hole right there. This is really thick yarn, so it's not going to get much smaller than that. But because you have your needle, you're just going to run it under here. And just tighten it. As much as you can without breaking your yarn. And then you're going to just go across anywhere over here. That's how dense that is. It's hard to get in there. So this is going to be the bottom of your pumpkin. So it closes it up a little bit more. And then you're going to go back across. Come out somewhere like that. And then all you're going to do is take your yarn needle and you're going to just go underneath and join your row. So as you can see, it's going to look like this. You can just pop out these edges like that and just go underneath right here on the sides. Just like that. And you can do a whip stitch or whatever stitch you feel comfortable doing. So I will show you this when I'm all done sewing it up the side. Okay, and then once you get to the end, it doesn't look exactly perfect. I mean, you're never going to see this from both sides, but it's okay for me. Then you're going to do a running stitch. And poke that in there. So you have this like tube. And then you're going to start filling that with the fiber fill. You're going to pull that real tight. And here is a little stick of cinnamon. You can use whatever you want. I'm just going to close this up a little bit and see if this still fits in there. Perfect. Smash it down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take that out. Then I'm going to put my needle in here. I'm going to push it to the back. So right into, got to go into where some yarn is. I'm going to pull it out. You're going to snug it down to get this to go a little flat. Just like that. And then keep it tight and then secure it. and then go back in and poke it through. And then you're just going to cut your yarn. And that will go back inside. Then you're going to put in your little stick. And there you have your little pumpkin. Thanks for joining me today making these adorable pumpkins. I hope I see you next time. Take care. God bless. Bye.